What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Pancis. If it's your first time tuning in, please be sure to smash that subscribe button. If not, thanks for your continued support. It has been a couple weeks since we posted anything on the channel, so I just want to continue to wish you guys all a happy new year. Took a little bit of a break. January is always the toughest month on YouTube, if anybody doesn't know, and also it is definitely not the nicest weather here in the Northeast. As you guys can see, it's one of the coldest days of the year right now, or of the winter. One of a few. We've had a pretty good so far, but it's freaking cold out there. But anyways, I wanted to give you guys a quick update on the 2011 Saab 9.5. It's right behind me, so let's get right into it. Alright, so the camera died, obviously, it's cold outside, but anyways, we damaged the front bumper, and I repaired it quickly, and I actually brought this whole thing into Mako, and I had them repaint everything on the front here. So as you guys can see, for the most part, it is back to normal. There's still some damage there, but not that bad. It's not going to be perfect, guys, but anyways, I just want to let you know this whole thing got freaking painted, and it looks pretty good. I think it looks better than what it did, and I don't think anybody's going to notice that there's ever any damage there unless you really study it and look closely. And if you do study it and look closely and you see a little damage, it's kind of just what it is. So no big deal. Car looks awesome. I'm freaking happy. And so anyway, so the other thing that we've done is this. Let me show you. Hop right in. It's freaking cold. Ugh. Let's turn the car on. Woo! Get the butt warmer working. I love this car. It's so nice. So anyway, since we last spoke, I went ahead and I bought a second key for this car. We had this car come with one key, and of course, since there's gonna be multiple drivers and it's easier to have two keys, I ordered a second key online and programmed it remote without any computer software. And then I brought the key blade. Let me show you. Brought the key blade in to a locksmith, guys, and for a few dollars, I think it was like 40 bucks, he cut the key blade. So now we have a programmed key and we have matching key blades. So now we have two full sets of keys. Both say Saab on them. In fact, there you go. You can see OEM, new one. Probably $100 to redo the whole second key. It's not a big deal. And all I did to program the second key was you have the car off and you put this into the door on the outside and you turn it unlock 5 times and it engages the computer system to allow you to program a second key. You're allowed to program up to 8 keys on the car. So once you do that, you go into, you put the new key, in here in this little slot here, and then you click the unlock button at the same time while it's in here with the original key here, and it programs it to the car. It matches it up perfectly. So really freaking easy. And now we have 2 working keys. So if I were to lock the car, hold down the start button. Oh, I have no gas in the car, so it won't work, but it does work. Anyways, all the keys are working. So that's the update for you guys. We have new bumper-ish on the front, fresh paint, new key uploaded, and the mail service is supposed to be delivering our title for this car today. So at some point in the next couple of days, I will go to the New Jersey DMV, get a New Jersey title, get this thing on the freaking road, and I will see you guys in the next video in this car, driving it legally on the road, and give you guys my initial thoughts. I mean, obviously, as you guys can tell already, I'm freaking pumped for this car. Really excited. It's such a nice looking car. And now that we've done it all right with the new radio, the interior is just absolutely beautiful. It is the most beautiful interior of a modern Saab. Doesn't get any newer than this, the latest one. So anyways, stay tuned for the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this update for you. Wanted to keep you guys in the loop and give you a video since it's been some time. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you there. Use my front camera to go inside. Where is it? There it is. Boom. So awesome. That's it.